Alright, this is how to change the license plate light for a 2012 Kia Optima. All you gotta do is get your flathead screwdriver, slip it in the side here, and gently push. And it'll pop right out. And take that same screwdriver, comes right out. Okay. All you do is twist the bulb out. Take that old one out. Put the new one in. Pop and twist. Plug this guy back in here. Come on, guys. Plug it in right there. And you're done. All done. No more pullovers.